How to start streaming on YouTube. To get started, you will need to download the streaming software, OBS, from obsproject.com. It is an open source software, and it's highly favored in the streaming community with plenty of plugins and support online. Once you download it, create an email account. Register that email to your YouTube account. Once you are logged in, click on the Create button that looks like a camera on the top right, then click Go Live. New accounts need to wait up to 24 hours to enable streaming options, so go ahead and do so if you have not done so. Once enabled, go back into the same page by clicking Create, then the Go Live button on the top right of screen. Your stream display will appear this time. Click Edit on the right to change your stream title, change thumbnail and more. Make sure to press the Enable DVR button under Additional Settings in case it isn't already on. Also, double check to see if the stream latency is set to ultra low. Now copy the stream key from the same page. You're only going to need the stream key once, and we'll paste it into OBS. Do not share this key with anyone. In OBS, go to Settings, then Stream button on the left-hand side. Now change service to YouTube RTMPS. Leave server under Primary. Paste your stream key in the stream key field. Alternatively, you can click the Get Stream Key button on the right side to log into your YouTube account and get the key that way. Next, we will set up the quality of stream you will be putting out and setting other important settings. Go to Output and set video bitrate to 5000. For best results, do not stream over Wi-Fi. Encoder would be hardware if you have a supported graphics card. If hardware is not available, then select software. Note, if using software and you have a slow processor, you might run into issues playing and streaming at the same time from the same computer. Next, change recording quality to high quality if you plan on recording your streams. I use MKV for recording format since it is safer when OBS ends the recording and saves the final file for you. Same for encoder here as in the streaming section. Now we have to set up the quality of the stream. Go to Video on the left-hand side and change both base and output resolution to 1928 by 1080. If you have issues with your stream, lowering it to 1280 by 720 will help, but I do not recommend streaming anything lower than that. Last, change downscale filter to Lancho's and common FPS value to 60. Click OK, then launch the game you want to stream. After game launches, back in OBS, click Add Source. If you use a mic, add audio input capture. Add audio output capture to stream the audio of the game and any sound that plays from the PC. Add game capture to grab the game display in OBS. Rename the game capture title to your game's title. Change mode to Capture Specific Window. Then change window to your game. If it does not show on the list, make sure your game is open behind OBS and not minimized. You now have to adjust your game to capture it full screen. Since I only use one screen, I make my Roblox game as small as possible, and then I expand the game display in OBS to cover as much as it can, without cutting off at the top or bottom. Then I stretch the Roblox game from the sides to cover the rest of the stream like I showed you here. Now you are all set. Click Start Streaming and start recording if you're going to record your stream. Soon, your stream will appear on YouTube and you will be ready to stream. If this video helped you out and you would like to see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel, thumbs up the video, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you.